Hello there and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to do another giveaway. Now I did this a couple of months ago when I had something I no longer needed, and we're going to do it again. And what we're giving away is a set of Freewell gear 4K series all-day ND filters for the DJI Mavic Air. So if you are a Mavic Air owner, there is a chance to get your hands on this set of filters. This filter set from Freewell Gear contains 8 ND filters, which consist of an ND4, an ND8 and an ND16. As well as a circular polarizer, an ND8 polarized, an ND16 polarized, an ND32 polarized, and the big one at the bottom is an ND64 polarized. You will also get this Freewell Gear Mavic Air UV filter as well. Now if you've ever taken the cover off on your Mavic Air camera, you'll know that there's no glass actually in it. This is a proper UV filter to fit on the front that will not only give you lens protection but give you that UV cut as well. So what we're going to do is give away the ND filters as well as the UV filter as well. Now just to be clear, these were my filters, so they are used. However, the filters themselves are in absolutely tip-top condition. The box might have the odd mark on it, as might the plastic case, but the actual filters are in perfect working order and will get you many hundreds of happy flight hours. This giveaway is entirely by me. It is not sponsored by Freewell or anyone else for that matter. It is simply that I no longer need them and I'd rather put them into the hands of someone who does. So how do you get your hands on these filters? Well, I'm going to keep it really easy. You A, need to be a subscriber to the channel, and B, you need to share one of my videos. I'd like you to share my videos or one of my videos with someone you think it might benefit. I don't want you to go out there and spam the internet or Facebook groups with it, but if you know someone who's got one of the aircraft I've spoke about or something on the channel I've spoke about and you think they'd benefit from it, share the video with them. Then please put the name of the video that you have shared in the description of this video. Then in 7 days from today I will pick one of those comments at random and that person will win the ND filters. So it's as simple as that. I simply want you to share one of my videos with someone out there you think it will benefit. Put a comment in this video with the name of the video you've shared, and then hopefully you might get a pick at the end of the 7 days and a chance to get your hands on these filters. The winner will need to be a subscriber to the channel as well, just to put that in there. So at the point of winning, please do make sure you're a subscriber. Now this is open to guys in the United Kingdom, the United States and Europe only, and I do include Canada with that. Sorry, the guys Middle East and Africa, the postage is just too heavy. I can post it to the rest of the world, no problem at all, but over to there is a little bit difficult. Please don't spam places that they don't want to see my videos. So what I would say is share it somewhere that you're A, allowed to share it, but B, you think it might benefit them as well. So please don't go spamming all of the Facebook groups and things like that. Just share the video with a friend or someone you know or a group or something that you think will see benefit from it. So overall, to get a chance to win these filters, you have to share one of my videos. In the comments of this video, name the video that you've shared, and in 7 days I will pick one comment at random and they will win these ND filters. That is it. Thank you very much for watching, and I will do another video again soon.